Welcome to our channel. Multi-city trips require careful planning to maximize time and minimize stress. Step 1. Map out all potential cities and create a logical route to avoid backtracking. Step 2. Research transportation options between cities including trains, buses, and flights. Step 3. Allocate appropriate time for each city based on attractions and activities. Step 4. Book multi-city flights if it makes sense logistically and financially. Step 5. Consider open-jaw tickets that fly into one city and out of another. Step 6. Reserve accommodations in advance for each city, especially during peak season. Step 7. Research and pre-book key attractions and experiences in each location. Step 8. Build in buffer days between cities for travel delays or unexpected discoveries. Step 9. Pack efficiently since you'll be moving frequently between locations. Step 10. Keep digital and physical copies of all confirmations and itineraries. Step 11. Set up a travel folder with information for each city. Step 12. Remain flexible as multi-city plans often need adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.